Starrily had an Instagram giveaway, and they were giving away $20 gift certificates. I was lucky enough to win one of the gift certificates, so here are some of the polishes that I purchased. I will be swatching these for you today. The first color I'll be showing is called High Maintenance, and it's a hot pink double holographic glitter. And it's made with a special type of glitter that's more sparkly and holographic than regular holographic glitters. This is definitely very, very sparkly. First, I'll be adding base coat to all of my nails under all of these swatches. This is the first coat of High Maintenance. And the formula on all Starrily polishes is really great. They apply really nicely. This one is packed with glitter and pretty much opaque on this first coat. However, I always like to use 2 coats, especially with glitter, because you get more depth with that. I'm trying to get you in a little bit closer so that maybe you can see some of the holographic shine. I'm not really sure my camera is picking it up too well, but here is the second coat of High Maintenance, and here is the finished look. This pink is so beautiful. I'm really enjoying this one. And now I'm going to show you Ultima, and this is a sparkly silver double holographic glitter. It also has that special type of glitter that's more sparkly than normal holographic glitter. Let me tell you, this particular polish, oh my gosh, it was so sparkly. Even indoors, not in direct light, it was incredible. This is an incredible polish. It'll be really fun to use in some nail art. Here is the first coat of Ultima. It's a little bit patchy on the first coat, so I am thinking we'll definitely need a second coat because you can see patches of my nail through the glitter. So now I'm going to come in with the second coat, and I think it is good enough in 2 coats. There we go. And here is the finished look. Of course, the camera isn't picking up at all how beautiful and sparkly this polish actually is, unfortunately. Try to get you up a little bit closer so you can see some of the holographic sparkle. It's 1,000 more times sparkly than you're seeing right here. And this is the last one, and it is called Toy Story. This has over 100 different types of glitter in this bottle. It is packed with so many awesome glitters in there. I see little stars, Mickey Mouse heads. It's so cute. I completely love it, and I am totally glad that I threw this one in my cart as well. It is definitely a fun glitter. Okay, so here is 1 coat of Toy Story. And that looks so cute. I actually bought Toy Story to get free shipping, but it was only $8 for the bottle. So, but I'm really happy with it. I think this is really cool. You get a ton of glitter out with the brush, so that's great. I'm not fond of that really big one there, but you know, I'm just going to leave it there because now I just dented my white nail polish. Wow, it's crazy. This is so cute. Okay, that one I actually got like too much glitter out on. In comparison to the other nails, this makes a really great topper. You can also sponge it on, but you really do get a ton out on your brush. So that looks pretty good. And here is the finished look of Toy Story over white. I really like this glitter. I am so excited that I decided to try to get free shipping and purchase it because this is super cute. I really like how it turned out. I hope you liked this bonus video for today and the swatches. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.